Alright, the next tab is over 13.1 as well, dealing with the area of a triangle. Now, I just want to kind of review some facts that you already know to help you understand how the area of the triangle formula came to exist. So, if I look at the shape, I know you know the shape is a rectangle or square. You identify still the base. You still have your h over here represents your height. So if you found the area, most of you know to just do base times height, or some of you are familiar with length times width, okay? So, same thing that we would do with the parallelogram. Now, I'm going to move this little cover. If I was to draw a line from corner to corner to create basically a diagonal, when I do that, I know the interior of my area is still base times height, but I have now created two triangles, two right triangles at that, because a rectangle, a square, have four right angles, So if the whole area is base times height, ask yourself what happens if you were to, let me see if it's going to let me do it. Come on. There we go. Separate the two. If we were to separate the two, now the area of one would be exactly 1/2. It's half the base times height, which is basically our formula. That's the formula for a triangle. Now, to help you kind of remember that formula, check out this awesome hit. It's on YouTube. Hopefully you can see it. What? What? Why is it doing this? Sorry about this. Just let it play normally.
Calculated area, it was really simple. Hard work, just picking up a pencil. Got the info, this is what you do. Multiply the base and I hate divided by 2. Multiply the base and I hate divided by 2. Area of a triangle, that's A equals 1/2 BH. Like A equals 1/2 BH. Base times like divided by 2. Cheers, let me break down the area. Listen, I got the right versus area. Through this free side, plot it down, I am on this math, got it like pay attention if you put your own. Calculated area, it was really simple. Hard part is just picking up a pencil. That's the info, this is what you do. Multiply the base and I divided by 2. Multiply the base and I divided by 2. Area of a triangle, that's A.
Alright, I think you got it. Let this song not stick in your head. Sorry about that. Okay, so key information. Our base is still at the bottom. There's our base. Our height still goes from a vertice straight down to the base. It has to be perpendicular. And our formula for a triangle. When your formula chart, you have 1/2 base times height. But as our video showed us, we could say base times height divided by 2. Alright, so we need to get that triangle labeled. And then we're just going to apply that formula to the triangle. So the first triangle problem you have, start off with your formula, A equals base times height divided by 2. And we're just going to label the parts. 11 is our base, 8.9 is our height. So we're just going to plug it in. 11 times the 8.9 divided by 2. And then use your calculator, calculate the area. This ends up coming to be 48.95 feet squared. And we're going to box our final answer. So, on our second problem we have here, same thing. We're going to start off with, I'll move this over, extend the page. Start off with our formula, A equals base times height divided by 2. Label our parts. Base is missing, that's what we're trying to find. Our height is the 5.3. We're going to substitute. We know that the area equals the 29.7, so we're going to substitute that for A. So we're going to now put our 29.7 equals our base, which is what we don't have, times our height, which is 5.3, divided by 2. Now, you could there's different ways to get to this answer. You could multiply everything by 2, but I know you can go ahead and just divide, put that in the calculator and divide 5.3 divided by 2. And that would give you 2.65 and then B. Oops, I put an H, sorry about that. B. And that is still equal to 29.7. So now we can solve for B by dividing by the 2.65 on both sides. Cancel out, the B gets by itself. And now we see that the base is, let's see, 11.2. And it was kilometers. Okay. So there is our video for our tab for the triangle. Thank you for taking care of this.